In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install upon your web browser and search for Zoom in the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Zoom website, which is zoom.us, in the search results and find download option and click on it. You'll be taken to Zoom download page. Choose appropriate version for your computer. If you're unsure, check your system type by searching for about your PC on your computer and look under system type. Click on the version that match your system and download will begin. Once download is completed, click on File to open it. If Windows Security pop-up appears, click on Yes to allow installation. Zoom installer will initialize and start installation process. After installation, Zoom will automatically open. To join the Zoom meeting, on the Zoom main screen, you can either sign in or create a new account, or click on Join Meeting without signing. If you click on Join Meeting, enter meeting ID and your name. You can also adjust your settings before joining, or alternatively, if you have a meeting link, simply click on it and Zoom will automatically open and join meeting.